Today, you will learn how to change portrait to landscape in Word for one page only and keep the rest portrait. First, go to the page that you want to rotate into landscape. If you are facing difficulty, then press this Zoom Out button or press Ctrl- on your keyboard. Select all the content on that page. If it is text, drag your mouse to highlight it. If it is a table, image, or chart, simply click to select it. Next, go to the Layout tab at the top. In the Page Setup section, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner. A new window will open. Make sure you are on the Margins tab. Under Orientation, choose Landscape. Now look at the bottom where it says Apply to. Change this option to Selected Text. Then click OK. That's it. Only the selected page is now in landscape, and the rest of your document stays in portrait. If your text spacing looks a little different, simply select the text, go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, and adjust it as needed. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching.